This is the morning weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 18th of February. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather dry today, but wintry precipitation will likely fall over about the northern quarter of the state after midnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. That could create some travel impact. So a lot to talk about. Here's the upper air look, and it's a zonal flow that will be gradually becoming high amplitude over the next 48 hours with a trough evolving off to the west. We'll check the radar early this morning, and this is what it looks like about 4 or 5 o'clock. We have some light snow over Missouri, freezing rain over parts of Oklahoma, and that activity will be increasing in coverage and intensity during the course of the day today. Temperatures are generally below freezing over about the northern half of Alabama. We can see 20s for places like Cullman, Gadsden. They've got mid-20s there. Huntsville, 30. Dothan, 34. Mobile sitting at 37. So we have a winter weather advisory, and this is in effect for late tonight and tomorrow morning for the counties in blue on that map. The southernmost counties in the winter weather advisory area would be Marion, Winston, Cullman, Blount, Etowah, and Cherokee, and then counties north to the Tennessee state line. That's where there could be some icy travel problems tomorrow morning with some snow, sleet, freezing rain. And again, that's as far south as places like Hamilton, Hanceville, Aniana, Gadsden, and Center. And, of course, that includes all of the Tennessee Valley. To the north, we have winter storm warnings in effect. In Tennessee, mainly north of Interstate 40, parts of northern Arkansas, much of Kentucky, over into Kansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma. And winter weather advisories stretch all the way from Kansas to the middle Atlantic coast. We note winter storm warnings in effect for parts of eastern North Carolina and southeastern Virginia as well. And there might be some strong storms later today and tonight on the coast of Louisiana and southeastern Texas, just a marginal risk there. Tomorrow, maybe a rumble of thunder over parts of North Florida. And on day 3, no thunderstorms. A very cold air mass will be in place over much of the country on Thursday. So this is the precipitation for the next 7 days, and really not much. Once we get past this thing late tonight, it's going to be dry for the rest of the week and over the weekend, but you can see amounts 1/10 of an inch or less for North Alabama, about 1 inch down toward the Gulf Coast. So let's break this thing down. Model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 3, and there's your trough evolving. And again, during the day today, we are dry, but let's jump to tonight. This is valid at 1 a.m., just after midnight. And, of course, on these depiction maps like this, on the HURB, blue would be snow, pink would be freezing rain, orange would be sleet. Of course, the green, it's just rain. And at that point, we'll probably have some snow falling over the Tennessee Valley, especially the western half of the valley at that hour. And again, there could be some sleet and freezing rain involved as well. Again, this is 1 a.m. So let's go to 5 a.m. tomorrow, right before sunrise. And again, evidence that we might see a little snow falling as far south as Hamilton, maybe Carbon Hill, maybe Cullman. And then by 7 a.m., the snow is pretty much over, and we have just rain falling in areas south of Interstate 20. And then by 12 noon, the whole event is pretty much over. Maybe some lingering light rain over southeast Alabama. So in terms of the snow potential, let's look at the SHREF. It's, I think, got a pretty good grasp on the concept here. SHREF is the short-range ensemble forecast. And again, the ensemble output is the way to go here. This is suggesting parts of the Tennessee Valley could receive maybe an inch and a half of snow. The Shoals, Athens, Decatur, Huntsville. Not much for Jackson County. And then as you work your way to the south, no significant accumulation as far south as Hamilton, Cullman, Gadsden. However, let's look at the ice output coming from the SHREF. And again, this is freezing rain. And this is suggesting there could be some freezing rain accumulation as far south as Marion and Winston and Cullman counties. And again, that's the reason that winter weather advisory extends that far south, basically U.S. Highway 278. So again, we've got potential for some snow and some sleet or freezing rain over the northern quarter of Alabama from about midnight tonight until 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and that could create some icy, dangerous, hazardous travel conditions. So just be aware of that. And for the rest of the state, just a cold rain. So this is tomorrow afternoon. Everything is out. And we're going to turn cold. It's going to get windy, and temperatures could fall during the day. And, the question is, if we do see icy travel, when does it improve? Some of the latest data suggests temperatures might fall into the 20s tomorrow afternoon. The 20s over North Alabama, going the wrong way. And that could keep some roads kind of icy through tomorrow night, maybe into part of the day Thursday. Just depends on how much precipitation falls. This is Thursday. We're very cold. We're going to start the day in the teens over much of North Alabama. Wind chill indices will likely be in the single digits. And parts of North Alabama will stay below freezing all day. Highs in South Alabama in the 40s. This is Friday morning, and again, same thing. We're going to see a lot of teens here. Lows in the teens as far south as Birmingham and Anniston. A freeze all the way down to the Gulf Coast. 20s likely at Gulf Shores. Again, this is Friday morning. And again, there still could be a little breeze, and the wind chill indices could be a bit lower than that. So very cold Thursday morning and Friday morning. Then during the day Friday, highs go in the 40s. For North Alabama, maybe 50s for South Alabama. For the weekend, this is Saturday, we're going to be in the 50s statewide. Little feature off to the west. And now the GFS is kind of agreeing with the European. The European's been dry all along, and the GFS is shifting in that direction. I guess there might be a sprinkle over extreme South Alabama, but most of the state dry Sunday with highs, again, mostly in the 50s. Monday, we're in the 60s. The warm-up continues. Good thing about these really big cold snaps this late in the season, they typically don't last that long. And this is a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 25th, troughing over the eastern states, and once again, we are dry. Let's keep going. This is out 10 days. This is Thursday, the 27th, again, troughing on the East Coast. And once again, we're dry, maybe a few showers over the southeastern corner of the state. Rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble, and really not a lot for the next week or so. This is valid through March 5th, and the mean is just around 1 inch. This is suggesting maybe we'll see a decent rain event out there in early March. We should mention March and April are the two wettest months of the year here. Temperatures for Birmingham, coming off the national blend of models, will be in the 50s today. By Thursday, we will struggle to climb above freezing. If you're in the Shoals, Huntsville, Athens, Cullman, you'll stay below freezing all day Thursday. And again, lows in the teens both Thursday morning and Friday morning. But then we bounce right back with 60s in here next week. And the latest long-range guidance, the 25th of February through the 3rd of March. Hey, orange on the map. Temperatures could be a little above average. So a reminder that this weekend, it is the annual sales tax holiday. And this is an opportunity for you to buy things that you need to keep your family safe during times of severe weather. This weekend, this is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. For 3 days, we'll have no sales tax on items like weather radios. Every home needs one. This is a great chance to get one with no sales tax. Things like batteries, flashlights, tarps, plywood, other things to protect windows in storms and hurricanes, ice chests, coolers, first aid kits, smoke detectors, fire detectors, and even portable generators. There's no sales tax. So again, that's this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hey, a nice sunset last night over Alabama, just gorgeous. Like the fact that we're getting a little more daylight now. That dog is digging for gold down there. I think that dog is looking for crabs. That's down at Dauphin Island. All right, so today I'm going to be at Hall Kent Elementary School in Homewood. And then I'll be in Jacksonville at Angel Grove Baptist Church. See the senior adults there. Tomorrow I'm going to be at Clay Elementary School in Jefferson County. Thursday going to be in Coffee County, Pinedale Elementary School in Enterprise. And then Friday going to be in Prattville, Daniel Pratt Elementary School. And then Saturday going to be speaking to a nursing group. No book signing this weekend. And of course, we do invite you to watch us on the television side. That would be ABC 3340 News. this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.